How to fix the full screen not working on your Google Chrome. Hello everyone and welcome back. If you're having problem with the Google Chrome's full screen mode not working, the first option would be to restart your Google Chrome. Close the current Chrome version and relaunch it. Try to enter the full screen mode by either clicking on the three dots on the top right corner and selecting the full screen mode, or by pressing the F1 key on your keyboard. After this, you need to update the Google Chrome. To do this, click on the three dots and then you have the option of Help. To get it, scroll down a bit. If you tap on About Google Chrome, it will automatically start to check for updates and install that are available. After updating, restart your Chrome and try to enter the full screen mode again, and you should be able to fix the issue. Likewise, disable the hardware acceleration as well. To do this, go to the settings by tapping on the three dots, go to System, then toggle off the option Use Graphics or Hardware Acceleration when available. Now relaunch the Restart a Chrome and try to access the full mode again. Additionally, you can adjust other settings as well. For this, go to the Chrome icon on your computer. Once you go to the Chrome icon, right click and go to its properties. After that, go to the compatibility tab, and here you have to make sure to disable full screen optimization. It should be unchecked, then tap on apply and then on OK. After this, you can reinstall your Google Chrome once and see if the issue is fixed. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.